How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to have a massive, huge one-day makeover on a little Honda Civic. You've probably seen it on the channel before, but this time we're going to go all the way through it. A lot of you guys requested that we show a bit more in depth how we clean it. So Charlie's going to rip the seats out, we're going to do the carpets, we're going to get the shampooer in there, we're going to show you it all. We're throwing some new tyres on it, we've got some Goodyear efficient grips here for it. We've got some discs and pads for it. I'm going to get a one-stage polish on the outside, and then we're going to test some of the new Infinity Wax products on the exterior trims to see if they're as good as they say they are. So stay tuned, this one will be epic. See you in a minute. Right guys, we've got the Honda inside and Charlie's just disconnecting the battery before we take the seats out. As always guys, anything with airbags, make sure you disconnect the battery, leave it for a good 5 minutes before you start pulling everything off. I'm going to get this up on axle stands, get all the wheels off because we're going to replace 2 front tyres, we're going to balance all 4. The back brakes sound like they're just getting onto the metal, so we're going to put some rear discs and pads on it. I'm going to check the front discs and pads. I have got them here just in case we need them. But as soon as I've done that, I'm going to go on to a one-stage polish. So while I'm doing the discs and pads, I'll let Charlie talk you through the shampoo and the seats and the carpet. Just disconnect the one, Charlie, you're all good.
Is that the right one? Positive.
Yeah, that's fine. Right.
Yeah, I'll go in depth. Tell everybody how to clean it properly, because I'm a legend at cleaning.
You're pretty good at doing interiors. We also need to take the headlights out of this because we're putting a few upgrades on as well. So we've got some awesome upgraded AUXBEAM headlight bulbs, which I'll show you guys.
You guys have probably seen the stickers on the front bumper of the Micro, but we've not yet done anything with them, have we? They were supposed to be for the Audi. Yeah. But as you know, that's down south. Yeah.
So yeah, instead of putting them in the Audi, we're going to test out the AUXBEAM bulbs on the Honda and see how they go, because the subscriber who owns this complains about how bad the headlights are, so we're going to upgrade them for him and see what he thinks. So we'll get some feedback on them and we'll do that in a future video, but obviously we'll leave a link to the AUXBEAM bulbs in the description below as well, and we'll see how they go. But yeah, I'm going to get stuck into jacking this up. You get stuck into...
I'll start cleaning the interior.
Interior stuff. I'll do the double job, you do the clean job.
Down back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, and she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause
as you can see, I've not got the seats out because the seat belts are actually attached to them. So what I did is I unbolted them, unplugged them, and then I just pushed them back. This way I can still get under the seat. Look, you can see all the crumbs there. I can get under the seat, clean all this. I'll then put them back, and I'll do the same with the back. But sometimes you can't always get the seats out fully, so you just have to improvise and get it done.
Just that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. Just that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this is my, back in my bag flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the king.
Right, so that's me just finished up the passenger side on the Civic. Loads better than the driver's side. Time-lapse angles might be a bit dodgy, but I'll go more in depth on the other side. But Dad picked up this 1001 mousse. This is like a fabric cleaner for Home Bargains. Been using that, and obviously the detailer, the dressing, and it's looking brand new. It's not bad. This car's been looked after, eh, Dad?
It's pretty clean.
Yeah. But yeah, I think I might have a little bit of break. My hands are feeling a bit weird.
How you?
Oh, don't be touching my clean interior.
Did you clean the seat rails?
Yeah, of course. Always clean the seat rails. What have you been up to? You
I've done the brakes on the front on this side, brakes on the back on that side. I'm just about to go and swap the tyres in.
Right, let's go swap some tyres, and then we'll come back to cleaning the interior.
Right, wee 2 minute interruption. As you guys know, we're doing the Veterans Rally to Gibraltar. we're supporting the rally, we're the mechanical support for the 32 plus teams going on this. So we want your help to raise as much money as we possibly can to help out the veterans, give as much to the Blind Veterans UK as we can, and also raise some money for cancer research in the process. So remember guys, we've still got the SEALEY tools up for grabs. There's a 1/2 inch set, a 1/4 drive set. There's still loads of tickets available for that. I think we've sold over 150 tickets so far, which is amazing. So the links for that will be in the description below. Guys, the links are below for Blind Veterans UK and for cancer research. It's a minimum £5 donation on the GoFundMes. If you don't want to do that, stick a £1 ticket on one of the SEALEY tools, because all the proceeds for that go to the charity as well.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson phase, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to busy at the Millies, out on Club Hurst. Give the word if it's a cinch, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road runner, keep my motor going. Hey, hey. People feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I bust a nut, she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Niggas love to show and tell, but all my niggas know.
There we go guys, interior is looking spot on now. A lot of people overthink the interior, but it's really not hard. All you need to do is hoover the seats, hoover the carpet. You don't need to worry too much because you use your drill brush to loosen all the dirt up. And then you go over it with a hoover and it should all tidy up super nicely. I then used that foam spray to clean these seat rails and any other plastic bits, and I also use that on the sheet. And yeah, it cleans up and it looks great. Don't overthink the interior, it's super easy to clean, super cheap, doesn't take long. Now we can go on to the outside. On the outside, we're going to try and clean up these plastic trims with some new Infinity Wax stuff. We're going to do the engine bay, and we've also got these AUXBEAM GX series headlights that we're going to try and fit to this and see how they look. But so far, interior's looking good, car's looking good. All the brakes are done, isn't they?
Yeah.
And also, while I'm doing the headlights, Dad's going to give the whole car a quick one-stage machine polish and try and get it looking a bit better.
I'm just going over and around with some pan glue remover to get the worst bits off.
Should we time lapse this?
Hey, back on deck on my fly, really on my, pay some respect to my mindset. Head blowing smoke, catch a contact. Really mad they can't stop us. Back on the scene, young conscious. Always been me, young poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah blah blah, yum. Try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, yeah we sliding. Make our eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Right guys, I don't know how much Charlie said, but these trims, if you've got a Honda, a Mini or Vauxhall Corsa, anything like that that's got these plastic trims, you'll know how faded and grey they go. Now we're trying this, it's Infinity Wax's new plastic coat. This is supposed to revive the original plastic, protect it and give you 6 months durability. So we're going to test it in this. As you can see, we've treated this one. We've done the scuttle panel as well, that was really bad, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes.
It was like a light grey, the scuttle panel.
Yeah, they say it lasts 6 months, so we've treated it. Let's see how it goes. Obviously, the back bumper's all been done as well. Looks good. I think that Charlie's maybe missed a wee bit on this one. We'll touch that up a wee bit.
You've missed a bit.
Where's the cloth for it?
I don't miss.
I never applied this. You applied this.
I don't miss stuff.
Right, I'll put a wee bit on it. Right, we're almost there. I need to tighten up the wheels. Hoover at the boot. We need to get some beauty shots outside, don't we? Mm-hmm. Right, so join us back in a second when we've touched everything up, buffed everything off, and we'll give it outside.
We quick bit.
Yeah.
A quick bit of fan wheel.
Yeah. Give me that. Right, what you saying?
So before we get back to the Honda, you guys have sent out some more fan mail. This time we've got 2 letters already opened them.
Yeah, we got excited. We couldn't hold back.
No, it's not even that. We're not used to it and we thought we were getting invoiced or something. But yeah, we'll open this before we get back to the Honda. This one, so we box
That's
the car.
thick, that's a thick stack.
Yeah, so this one in the green envelope is from Steph. Thanks Steph for the Merc stickers. We've got a load of these little bike stickers with hot rods and camper vans and stuff on it.
Tons of stickers in there.
We've also got this really cool super air freshener.
That is my favourite.
Which is pretty cool. And
that is awesome. That is the best thing. That could be the best thing we've been sent so far.
Yeah, and he sent us this one-off Type D sticker, which is what we assume for a diesel Civic.
For your diesel Honda.
But yeah, that's pretty cool.
Right, you read the letter, I'll start sticking these up on the board.
So while Dad sticks some stickers up, I'm going to read the very nice letter that Steph has given us. Hi Stephen, I love watching your channel. You and your lad do so well. It's great to see it. I've sent a few toolbox stickers and a one-off Type D decal for the Lecky box. I would also like to give you a touchscreen and reverse camera, plus a brand new universal splitter to raffle off. So it sounds like Steph's going to send out some gifts for us to raffle off to you guys. I live local and can drop off anytime. So Steph, if you're watching this, you've not left a letter, a number or an email, so if you just pop a comment down or email us, we'll get that sorted out.
That's very kind of you, Steph.
You've put it off shot. Nobody can see that.
Ah, well what we'll do, we'll move the camera in a minute, we'll do a recap of the stickers. We'll start with the letter. Hello guys, I think the both of you are doing a fantastic job of rebuilding repairs. The video content is brilliant, it keeps me and lots of others happy. You will soon need a bigger place to work out of. I think, do you know what, we're rapidly outgrowing this place, so you might be right there. Enjoy the stickers as much as I like wearing the t-shirt. So this is for Bob Bush. Bob must have bought one of the limited edition t-shirts as well. Thanks for that, Bob. And thank you for sending out the letter. And this sticker is awesome, guys. Check this out. Can we fix it? No, it's... I can't say it because they weren't demonetised. I'll let Charlie put it up seeing as he's on the ladder already.
Not that I need a ladder, it's just here, so I'm using it.
Yeah, I used it to put the Type D right up at the very top, so we can start spreading these about a wee bit.
Can you imagine if I put it beside of these?
Oh no, I don't. No, Charlie. Guys, that's awesome. It's good to see this electrical box is starting to come together. Obviously, we've got a few more that we're going to put up. But again, massive thanks to everybody who's sent us a letter, sent us a sticker for the box. Massive thanks to everybody who's bought stuff for the raffle and donated to the charities. Huge appreciation to everybody. So, let's get back to this Honda Civic.
While we vibing, you know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing, dress it up, yeah I be styling, eat up the drip, she be dining, straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they admire, all of these expiring, ice of the boss and we hiring, raising the hood where it's sirens, they hopping on ship like a pirate. Ayy, ayy, driving the boat and I came for the loot and the tragedy, be hating, do better, dropping them ashes, done burn me a hole in my sweater, I'm stingy, I'm holding this cheddar, holding this cheese, living more better, smoking these dudes.
Right, there we go, we've transformed this Honda Civic.
Looks so much better.
It's been a long day, I'm exhausted.
I'm chinned.
But this Civic looks so much better than what it did. It's shiny again.
For a quick job, it's alright.
And the headlights are bright.
They're super bright. Look at them. This is the daylight.
It's daylight. Oh, you can't even see it on camera, but
you can't look at them.
It's daylight and they're super bright.
This is what we got, the AUXBEAM GX series. I'll leave a link in the description for them. We'll get some feedback off of the subscriber. He'll let us know what they're like at night. Obviously, we've got another set of these that we're going to put in one of your cars. I wonder if the Micra takes H7 bulbs. These will be great bright for the trip to Gibraltar.
Yeah, that would be bright.
Because I can imagine we'll be doing some driving in the dark. But obviously, as you can see, the car's all been machine polished. Charlie's done all the trims. Hopefully that stuff will be good and it will last the 6 months, like you say.
Yeah, hopefully it stays black because it does. It looks really good.
Yeah.
Even if it doesn't last 6 months, I think it's a good product still.
It is still good, yeah.
But a lot of transformation, eh?
Got the tyres on.
Tyres on.
New Goodyears on the front. New front brake pads. Front discs were okay, they're within tolerance. I measured them. Rear discs and pads are done. Caliper was a wee bit sticky on that side, but I've freed it off and it's all good. You've had the seats out. Cleaned all the interior. It's looking
Interior.
good now.
Seats are covered, but
We've put a couple of covers on it because we're about to drive this back.
yeah, let's get this delivered. And
Take
hopefully
this
he's
back,
happy with it.
pick
I'm
up the
happy with it.
Mercedes.
Pick up the Merc and
Yeah.
go home for today.
That's it. Thanks again to everybody who's hit the sub button. Thanks again to everybody who drops comments and shares with their friends and family. Obviously, anybody who's donated or entered the raffle, massive thank you to you guys. Huge thanks to AUXBEAM
Yeah.
for sending us out some bulbs to test. And
Yeah, hopefully you guys hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.
see you next time.
Yeah, we too groovy, we keep it unruly. Know it's yours truly. Smoke a big head, call it Stewie. Bad chick wanna do me. Thick and she coolin', she busted open like a Uzi. I busted, then I'm back to duty. Call of Duty, I'm